In this video, I am going to show you how to reverse a video using the Shotcut Video Editing application. If you want to move a video backwards for your video editing, watch to the end of this video and let me show you how to do it. So make sure you have created a project on Shotcut and imported the video you would want to reverse onto the playlist. Now drag and drop the video onto the timeline of the Shotcut application. With your video on the timeline, click on it to select it. Then click on the properties amongst the commands at the top of the application. Now at the bottom of the properties tab, you would see reverse, convert, and proxy. Select reverse, which would open this prompt where we would be asked to choose an edit-friendly format we would want to render our video to, but leave it set to good and click on OK. Now you can see that our video has been converted and it has been reversed, as you can see in the Jobs tab. When you play the video, you can see that the video has now been reversed. Now you can export your video for your various video editing. That is it for this video. If you love the video, like and subscribe to this channel for more content. One of the videos on the end cards will show you how to blur a part of a video using the Shotcut editing program. See you next time.